is one of those days, and I really didn't want to do a live session. But then I do a lot of self-reflection, and I thought that maybe this is a chance to apply what I read. That life is not going to be fair. We will have challenges. We will have times when things are not going to go the way we want them to go. But I have to just show that, whatever I read, I have to apply it in my life. And I said, maybe this is my chance. If I have committed that I'm going to be live today, I have to go live. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining in with Read with Rubina. Before I begin, I have some honest confessions that today I really didn't feel like I wasn't in a good mood, and I really thought of cancelling out my today's live session. And I wasn't really, there are some days when you really aren't in your mood and groove, and you just feel like not doing anything. And honestly, today is one of those days, and I really didn't want to do a live session. But then also आपको ये बताने के लिए कि it's okay to experience emotions. It's okay to not be in great mood all the time. और आप लोगों को ये भी बताने के लिए कि सोशल मीडिया सिर्फ ये दिखाने के लिए नहीं है कि हम हमेशा एक अच्छे मूड में रहते हैं, अपलिफ्टेड स्पिरिट्स में रहते हैं. We are emotional, we are vulnerable, and it takes a lot of courage to come and accept it. And trust me, मेरे I think 4 से 5 hours सिर्फ ये सोचने में लगे कि क्या मुझे लाइव करना चाहिए, क्या मुझे इस मूड में जहाँ मैं बिल्कुल भी आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड, एंड आई डोंट फील लाइक stepping out, doing anything, should I do it or not? But then I just said that yes, I should do it, because it's not always going to be hunky-dory. It's not always going to be what I've planned, what I've imagined. तो इसलिए मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि it is absolutely okay. आपको अपने लिए वो टाइम देना ज़रूरी है. You have to allow yourself to feel what you are feeling, or it is absolutely okay. तो इसी उम्मीद के साथ here I am, honestly not in a great state of mind, but we will achieve that. और एक चैप्टर मैं फिर से रीड विद रुबीना, क्योंकि हमने सेशंस शुरू किए हैं, इसके लिए मैं ये एक और चैप्टर आज आपके साथ पढ़ूंगी. एंड कोइंसिडेंटली chapter talks about adversity, so maybe I can relate to it more. मैंने ये पढ़ा और मैंने ये सोचा कि actually this is how it is. We have to have the courage to face our low states, and it's sometimes life is going to give you highs, and sometimes it's going to give you lows also, but embrace the lows as well. और यही रीज़न है कि मैं when I don't feel that I'm in a great state of mind, I just shut down, and I am expressing this today in front of my 2 million Insta family that yes, I am like that, and sometimes circumstances, your over expectations, you're not looking into the brighter side of life or situation or opportunity can make you really spiral down. Trying hard to work through it. Let me acknowledge upfront that there may be some of you who have suffered such pain and tragedy in your life that you can't possibly imagine anything positive flowing otherwise. I do ask, however, that you keep an open mind on this issue. And it is very important to let the emotions flow, to acknowledge what you're going through, and just to notice it. Because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम अपने फीलिंग्स को, हम अपने गुस्से को, एग्रेशन को अगर दबा दें और उसके ऊपर एक कोई पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग वाला माइंड सेट लेकर आए तो शायद चीज़ें इजीली सॉल्व हो सकती है, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. ब्यूटी ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज दैट दे आर ड्रिवन थ्रू देयर इमोशंस, और इमोशंस प्ले द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. और इसलिए ये एक्नॉलेज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे लिए हमारे इमोशंस कितने इम्पोर्टेंट और मायने रखते हैं. और आई मीन इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ कमिटमेंट, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेल्फ respect and acknowledgement to say that no matter what, I am going to, and I'm here not to preach, I'm here to just share feelings, emotions, thoughts while reading, or maybe just reading your own thoughts. It is very important that how do we read our own selves also, our current situations, our current thoughts as well. और इसके लिए you have to just have a self reflection, you have to have time with your own self, and this can only happen when you acknowledge that every emotion of yours has to be just noticed and understood the way it is, not manipulating it, not pushing it to the corner and saying that no, this is not happening with me, this is not happening with me, something greater is happening. Positive thinking is not about सब चीज़ें, सब नेगेटिविटी साइड में रखकर आई वांट टू थिंक समथिंग पॉजिटिव, आई वांट टू बी थिंकिंग ऑफ ग्रेट टाइम्स एंड ऑल. इट डज नॉट हैपन लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू प्रोसेस व्हाट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू. आप कुछ नहीं करना चाहते या जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी तब आप करेंगे, तो शायद आप लाइफ में कभी कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. पर अगर आप ये सोचेंगे कि लाइफ कोई भी सिचुएशन, कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको दे, या फिर किसी भी तरीके का चैलेंज आपके पास आ जाए, you have that power within you to even create something beneficial out of it. Or that's what life is currently pushing us towards. It's saying go back to your basics, go back to your basics, and that's what I'm realizing. It is so important. We have to go back to our basics. हमारे बेसिक क्या है? हमारे बेसिक्स सबसे पहले है to look inwards, to establish connections in our family, to establish connection to the person that you're living with. Or this is very important. And for me, I mean, in this adversity, I'm looking at a greater benefit that is going to come out. And I am sure that I will be able to transform my situation, my life from this adversity which is happening. And to just give or share a ray of hope is what I'm trying to do, is what I'm wanting to share with millions of people who are there and who are just wanting to see that ray of hope. We are very fortunate. हमारे पास हमारी families हैं, everybody is healthy and blessed. I'm sure आप लोग भी safe होंगे, आपकी families safe होंगी.